Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. In this video, we are going to learn Gmail integration. Okay, before going to integrate Gmail with MuleSoft, okay, I'm going to tell you few points, or I'm going to ask you for the few questions. In which scenarios we are going to send an email? Okay, that is very important. See, there are many scenarios which we are going to send an emails. Suppose as soon as we have created an account in any point platform, just assume any point platform, we are going to create create account. So after creating an account, so what is happening? We are getting one automated email. Correct. The same way, if you log in for Facebook and Instagram, okay. So this and all for email verification. Even if you log in, okay, you are login for very first time into Naukri for email verification, or okay, there are many scenarios. Okay. And every month, suppose every month pay slips are going to generate, right? And credit card bills, credit card bills. Okay, these are the major scenarios. There are so many. Even if you book bus ticket, bus ticket, okay. Suppose you want to travel from Bangalore to Hyderabad, so and so date. So after booking, okay, you will get one automated email. Correct. So there are many scenarios. So how this is going to automate and how we are going to generate an emails. So that is what we are going to see now. Okay. Now go to any point studio. Just create one sample mail project here. Sample mail project. Go to file and new mail project. So I have created here. So if you want to test something via Postman, what you can use logger or else. So here I'm going to use scheduler. So here, as of now, for testing purpose, what I'm doing, every 1 minute, my program has to run and it has to generate an email. But normally we don't give every 1 minute this one. Okay. Either you can use cron expression, okay, every day at 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. So those kind of things we can configure. But as per testing, I'm going to use every 1 minute, it has to generate an email. So here I'm going to talk, there is one sample scenario, just sending welcome email. Okay. So how we are going to generate that welcome email, we'll see. Adding logger, scheduler trigger. Now, if you go to add modules, so here you can see email. Just drag this email connector here. So here we can see send connector. Just drag this send connector, or else directly what you can do, go to search palette and type email or send. Okay. If you type email, you'll get all these connectors. Or if you want only send connector, just type send connector if you remember. Otherwise, you can take it from Mule palette here. Now, so very important, just observe. Click on this plus button. Click on this plus button. See, what are the things we need to configure? Host, port, username, and password. I'll tell you how to generate this password. So what is the host here? smtp.gmail.com. Okay. smtp.gmail.com. So either it will work with 25 or 587. So both it will work. So I'm going to keep it as only 25. Username is my email ID. So from where you need to send an email, just you need to keep that email ID. So here no need to provide your password. Suppose if you are using test@1234 or something, okay, or your name. So that you should not keep. So here we need to generate app password, app password. So that's very important. Just observe here how to generate app password. Go to your Gmail account. Click on manage your Google account here. Here in the left hand side, click on security. So before going to generate app password, you need to on two-step verification. Okay, two-step verification. Then only we can able to generate app password. Okay, click on this two-step verification. Provide your password here. Once you enter your password, just come down. So here you can able to see app passwords. Click on this app passwords. So here you can give okay. I'll give test. I'll give test here and create. So whenever you want, you can delete this app. Okay, what is my app here? Test is my app. Okay, copy this one and click on done. So if you don't want to use this password, then you can delete. Later I will delete this one. Now, how to use this? So this is my password. Remove these spaces. Now copy this one. It's very simple. It's not copied. Okay, properly. Okay, anyway, I will remove these spaces. So it's very simple. Host smtp.gmail.com, port, user, and password. Now, if you click on this advanced tab, click on this advanced, go to properties, click on edit inline. So this is very important. This is very important. So here you need to provide, okay, you need to provide one property. So that is called mail.smtp.startTLS enable. Enable also there and required also there. So if enable is not going to work, then you can use at last required. Okay, mention true. Mention true. Click on OK. And now, so from address, this from address automatically it is going to take to address you need to provide, click on edit inline, click on this plus button. Okay, I have another email. It is school 21. Okay, I'll give this to address here. So if you want, you can add more to address. Okay, if you want, you can add CC and BCC. So everything you can do it here. So what is the subject? Subject, I am going to keep it as, click on this FX. In the double quotes, welcome. Simply, I am going to keep it as welcome. Now, the payload, I'm writing welcome to ViTech Talks Gmail integration. See here, normally what we need to do. So the body of the email you are going to provide here, the subject you are going to write it. So if you don't want to hard code, keep it into separate variables and you can use parse template to pass these values. Anyway, we are going to learn in the next video how to use parse template. Okay, now the content type, text slash plain. We need to provide text slash plain. Okay, that's very important. Now this is done. So if you want, you can keep the debugger here, keep debuggers, or else what you can do, just normally I'm going to run. So every 1 minute it will trigger and it will send an email. Okay. So again, so what are the things that is important? Host, port, username and password. Password is app password. You need to generate app password from your Google account. Now, go to console and verify whether the app is deployed or not. So meanwhile, what I will do, I'll open my Gmail account. So this is my sender email. Okay, this is my sender. And here it will be an receiver. Now we need to check into receiver. Okay, now it is deployed. Now it is deployed. I'm not going to trigger anything because we are using schedulers. So what it will do, automatically it will trigger at every 1 minute. It will trigger at every 1 minute and it will send an email. Or what I will do for testing purpose, I'll keep it as every 10 seconds. It is loading. So if you don't want to wait for 1 minute, okay, so what you can do, you can reduce the timings. See, scheduler triggered. So here we didn't keep any logger. See, after sending an email, so what you can do, you can keep on logger like, okay, email sent successfully. See, it is generating. Welcome to ViTech Talks Gmail integration. Welcome to ViTech Talks Gmail integration. The new messages. See, keep on, the messages are coming. Here you can see 7, okay, 8. See, automatically the emails are generating here. See, email sent successfully, scheduler triggered. So after testing, what you can do, if you want, you can change it to 1 day, or here there is a cron expression. Suppose you want to send an email every day at 9:50 or 10:30. So in that case, you can use cron expression. So fixed frequency, it won't work. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.